honest woodcutter. Moral of the story: honesty is the best policy. Once there lived a poor woodcutter. He used to cut trees in the woods. One day he was cutting wood on the bank of a river. His axe fell down into the river and he could not take his axe out. He sat on the bank and began to weep. Mercury, the god of water, appeared and asked the reason of his weeping. The woodcutter told the whole story. Mercury dived into the water and brought a golden axe. The woodcutter refused to take it. Again he dived and brought a silver axe. The woodcutter didn't take it either. Then he brought an iron axe and the woodcutter took it gladly. Mercury was much pleased. He awarded the woodcutter with the other two axes. Honesty is the best policy. Thank you.